Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the home city, so to change the home city on your Casio Royale, the model number AE-1200WH. So guys, all you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button. You are going to hear a small beep. Then we are going to toggle between the different options using the mode button. So here we can adjust the seconds. Then we can set the DST. I'm going to press it once again, and here you can see that our home city is set to Tokyo, and it is also being showed here on the world map. As you can see, if I press the light button, I'm going to go to the left, so I'm going to go west, and as you can see Singapore, you are going to see the abbreviations to the countries. And then if I press the bottom button, so the search button, I'm going to go east, and as you can see I can go even further than Tokyo. I can arrive on the other side of the planet, as you can see right here, and then we can choose between the different options. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so this is going to move a lot faster. As you can see now I have Berlin, Stockholm, Athens, and so on. After you have correctly set the home city, all you need to do is to press the mode button once again in order to go and set the correct time and date. And after everything is set, you can press the adjust button and your new home city has been saved. So as you can see, we now have the home city of Athens, which is going to be the capital of Greece in Europe. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm also going to publish a full guide on all the functions and features of the Casio Royale, so make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. And also, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Once again, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.